Hi, Brett Weston with Weston Insurance Agency. Just wanted to thank my clients for being long-term customers and offer them this awesome car buying tip brought to you by Weston Insurance Agency and the awesome team at Shadetree Automotive.
Hey, I'm Braden. This is Brian. We're from Shadetree Automotive. Today we wanted to talk to you about something we probably all experienced: buying a used car. If you're in the market for another vehicle, we have a few tips that'll give you the peace of mind you're making a smart purchase. Tip number one is something you can do yourself. Give your car a thorough test drive with the radio off. Listen carefully for any abnormal vibrations, noises, and clunks, paying attention to how the vehicle drives at freeway and city speeds. Also check for vibrations when braking and accelerating.
If you notice any of these, it could indicate a problem, which requires the vehicle to be further inspected, which leads us to tip number two: to have your vehicle properly inspected by a professional technician. Have your vehicle inspected by a professional technician that will also give it a test drive and inspect for any collision damage by inspecting the car's undercarriage, frame, along with any safety concerns of the brakes, suspension, and tires. Our technician will also provide a complete digital report you can view with the technician's notes and pictures, identifying any concerns with leaks, belts, hose condition, fluid condition, and so much more. Your technician will also be able to provide you accurate information regarding the preventative maintenance you should be doing to the vehicle to make it last as long as possible.
When you're looking to buy another vehicle, call and schedule an appointment with your mechanic to do a full inspection. That way you know you're making a good choice.